Welcome to Money Hunter series. In this video, I'm gonna take you to our spiritual journey in Bali, Indonesia. Hopefully you enjoy and let's get started. Bali already recovered from pandemic effect. A lot of foreigners can go to Bali and a lot of people come here for holiday. So many traffic, so many people, and this will be a really enjoyable moment. Okay, we're going to the temple and we'll do the spiritual journey while we're waiting for the gold, because today I'm going to find a buy opportunity in gold. Then I'll make a trading plan and give you the idea how to trade in gold this time, then have a live trading with you. Stay tuned. Before we go to the temple, they prepare us with all accessories like this, so make sure that we fit with the situation over there. It should be a holy temple, so they prepare us for entering the temple. So I'm gonna wear this. It's so traditional from Bali.
By wearing this start, we believe that we were focused to go to the temple.
Okay.
We tied our mind.
Tied our mind.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's get going. So we're waiting to go to Tirta Ampul. That's a place. We have like at least 1 hour to our place. And now let's take a look for a while to the gold. This is for our chart. As you can see, the price dropped significantly and we're waiting for the bearish trend is ending. I can assume that this bearish is a major correction from the huge sideways movement. So we're looking for secondary reaction. If you're using the Elliott wave, this should be a wave 2. And for the support, we should find a buy opportunity. So I guess another 2 or 3 hours, we can get a buy signal. I'll make a trading plan for you. After 1.5 hours driving, so here we are in Tirta Ampul. This is a holy spring water. A lot of people here to pray and to wash themselves, like physically and mentally. They believe that they will have a better life after they come to this holy spring water. So let's get going. Now we are with Robbie here from Bali, and we're going to the place Tirta Ampul. So what are we gonna do here?
So we're gonna have a purification here to have our physical dirt and also spiritual dirt left from our body.
So it's like a cleansing, process, right?
Cleansing process, and then we're gonna pray to the main temple to synchronize our energy with the universe energy. We wish that all the best will happen in our life.
It's like a healing process, right?
Sure,
People always say it.
Yeah.
Okay, this will be great, guys. I think Bali is already so much recovered from the COVID. So a lot of tourists come already.
All of them came here, and also because of a special day today.
Oh,
it's called Kajang Kliwon.
Oh, Kajang Kliwon. So
yeah.
We're at the very good day today,
yes,
right?
very good day. It's hard to find a day like today.
Wow, when we make an appointment, I don't even know about this day. So I guess this is a lucky day for us. Finally, we just complete our shower with the hot spring. As you can see, that's really unique experience. This is my first time as well. So now we're going to Penulisan Temple. It's about 1.5 hours from here. Now it's about 4 p.m. We're still waiting and monitoring the gold trading, and I will distribute the trading signal through our A Club Academy platform. Stay tuned. Well, now I show you the 4-hourly chart for the gold. If you take a look to the daily time frame, we know that the downside movement is reaching the unfilled order area. This is the block, the yellow. So we believe that this will be a very strong support from which the price will going up back to at least at 1900. So the main problem is the stochastic is still pointing down, and this will be a trap. I really need to wait maybe in the next 2 or 3 candles waiting for the stochastic turn back up. We will be very patient to wait until the price is going back to the support. From that point, we will find a buying opportunity. We only jump to buy when the trend is already make a bullish participation based on the Dow theory. We don't want to have a speculation at this time. This is a reversal trading, and we need to be patient, trade what we see. We need to really wait until the real bullish coming back. So now I'm on my way to Pura Penulisan one of the oldest temple in Bali. Behind me is Penulisan Temple. This is the oldest temple in Bali. So we're going climbing to that temple and we start praying over there. Finally, we're done with the prayer here. We're still waiting for the gold, guys. I think we'll spend our time tonight by making analysis and share it to you. So before that, we're looking for great culinary tonight in Bali. So enjoy this adventure with me, okay? Behind me now is Mount Batur in Bali. This is Kintamani area. If you ever been to Bali, I believe you already been here. And today we're here and we want to enjoy our early dinner. We're gonna eat mujair nyat. This is a small fish and cook for 4 hours. That will be really great, I think. When you enjoy this kind of food and behind you, it's amazing mountain and lake. This is unbelievable experience, right? Good morning, guys. This is already the next day and you know what happened? Last night the FOMC got a meeting and then gold exploded like hell and it hits 1901, 1902 just like our expectation. But again, I'm not taking any position because I was overslept, number one, and number two, like I said before, I rather waiting for the confirmation of 4-hourly chart. I'm gonna look for buy on weakness strategy. So before I take you to the beach, let's go back to the chart and let's see what plan that we're gonna take. And also during the explosion movement, the gold got a gap in 1895, like you see here. There are two ways of trading. Number one is do the scalping by selling the gold to close the gap at 1895, and number two, if you are trend trading, we're gonna wait at the unfilled order area or we're gonna wait at the money magnet area. You can learn the money magnet from this video. This really great strategies for you. Got a 70-80% winning rate all the time. And number two, we are 4 or 5 trading days to the mercury retrograde cycle. Got a 80% chance to make a golden bullish. So if you want to learn more, this is a free video for you. It's all about the mercury retrograde that I presented in the International Federation Technical Analysis Conference 2018. I found that that cycle will make a bullish bias for the gold. Okay, so in the 10th of May 2022, the gold will be bullish influenced by the mercury retrograde cycle, and that gold bullish explosion moment is the impact of that mercury retrograde cycle. Okay, so let's get to the chart and I'll take you to the beach. Alright guys, now you're looking to the chart. I want to take my first speculative trade because I see the gap around here. Okay, that's 1895. So basically we can take a sell position on here to get about 60 pips profit. So I'll take 2 lots. Sell. Okay, and the take profit will be around 1895 later. So that's our first position trading today. Alright guys, now we're in front of the chart and in front of me is the beautiful beach here in Bali. Okay, we are 5 trading days to the mercury retrograde cycle, which has happened on the 10th of May 2022. Based on my research, like I told you before, 5 days before the trading days will be a cycle bottom, which is represented by this candle. If we believe that the bottoming has been formed, which is that's confirmed as well with this unfilled order area from this point, the price did reject exactly on the yellow box. Now we believe that in the daily chart there will be a significant upside movement. The price is likely to aim this level, so it's about 1940 or 1980. Okay, so let's open the 4-hourly chart. If you remember before, in the 4-hourly chart I already drew this line, and red line here and red line here. This represents that the gold will be moving upward, which is that really happened in the 4-hourly chart now. So I was overslept during the FOMC meeting because it was 3 AM in the morning. Now, this opened an opportunity for us to have a safer trading because this is one higher low and another higher low should be here. We want two higher lows before we can confirm that the price is moving in the bullish trend. Now I'm back to the 15-minute chart and then I'm gonna look for the opportunity for buy. I'm using the money magnet strategy. It's really accurate strategy for gold. You can also learn about the money magnet secret in this course. You can go to theastronacci.com. There's a money magnet secret for you. It's applied to all markets. That's really helpful for you. Okay. Now, speaking about the area for buying, so 1890 and 1881 should be the best area for buying. Yeah, I rather waiting to the EMA 34 and 90. I don't like to, because if we are using the 15-minute chart, it's better to wait until the secondary reaction really comes. Based on my 15 years experience, that's the safest way to trade on gold. So the strategy now is we'll wait until the gold coming here or down here. We're looking for a buy, and trust me, this is the safest way to trade in gold. And for some reason it's gonna going down. So now I'm gonna take you to have a beautiful lunch. It's a suckling pig. It's really great. So anytime you come to Bali, just visit this place and then I can gather with you. We can do a live trading together and then enjoying the beautiful culinary here in Bali and of course beautiful scenery. Finally, lunchtime is arrived and we're going to Saksikan Bar 99. You can googling it. That's my favorite suckling pig restaurant. Together with Kevin and Danu here. Okay, so let's go. Finally, we arrived in Suckling Pig, the greatest suckling pig in Bali. That's the Saksikan Bar 99. The suckling pig here is very cheap. The special one is about 45,000 rupiah. A lot of meat there. And you can order special skin in this place. Don't forget to grab kacang Bali. This is really great. It's so tasty. Alright guys, we're back to the hotel and I want to play around with the swimming pool. And the good news is now the gold is already down and we got a blue day. As you can see, this is a sideways movement and it's likely going down. As you can see, this is the gap, right? 1895, that's the gap. So we're coming down here and let's put a take profits 85 and then here is 1904 modify. It's very quick. This is arbitrate. It's very quick because this is the only broker that I use, the DMA CFD. It is likely that with this very long tail over here, the gold is take the order up there and now it's likely it's going down to close the gap. We're gonna see later. So for now, let me enjoy the swimming pool over here. Alright guys, now gold is almost closed the gap. It is 1895. You can see the chart is almost hit our take profit. And yep, the gap is closed, so let's take it manually. It's hit, it's hit our take profit points, $1,000 now for today. You see this green one? It means the take profit hit. Wow, now it's 1894. So that's the first trade. We booked $1,000 from the gap trading. It's beautiful, but this is not our main target. We're gonna let the gold drop. Expect it now. It's going all the way down and we're looking for another buying opportunity here. It's perfectly successfully and hopefully you learn from this trade. At the end of this episode, I'm gonna review all the trades. So stay tuned until the end of this video. Alright guys, after we took our profits, I think this is the time for us to looking for buy. My consideration is, if you can see in the screen, the 4-hourly chart stochastic is still bullish even though that's in overbought area. So we're looking for a buy now because the 15-minute chart already around the area of unfilled order. So I'm gonna put 2 lots over here. It's done. So you can see it's very quick transaction. So we bought it 1895 while we're waiting for another position that we may enter when the price dropped to 1888. So it's like averaging. We put a layer and we expect the take profit minimums will be around The EMA 90 is a 1906. Okay. If something happened and the price is not continuing back to the bullish, I'm gonna cut the losses first and then waiting back to 1888. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Okay. So, and sorry, this is not. This should be 11 and 10. 1910 will be my take profit. So we're gonna do a layering on the way down, and the price now is hit the gap, close the gap, and exactly at the unfilled order area, and we're gonna wait until the price back. Meanwhile, I'm going to the beach and enjoying the sunset after this. Has been a while for me not going to the beach, and today we will enjoy all the beach here, enjoying the sunset soon. Really happy to see that Bali starting recovery from COVID pandemic. A lot of tourists come here, Australia, Europe, and all people enjoying the food here and tourism. Meanwhile, we already have a buy position, and we really hope we made money today. Woo! Alright guys, now is 20:47. That's amazing time. If you can see, gold now is really moving bullish trend. 1906 now is about 110 pips from my current position. Wow, that's heavily explode. Okay, the other strategy here is I can apply the external retracement, and 127.2 is the minimum, which is 1907. I can take half lot over there, and I can also take that in the 1912 for, okay, it looks like it's gonna hit 127.2 Fibonacci. So I think I'm gonna take one lot here. I already got the money in, so it's 1,100. I still have another position that we can hold to the end. This is amazing trade, guys. So it's about 30 pips to our profit target is 20 pips. I'm happy actually to take that half position on the first gateway, because we have two lots anyway, right? It's a 20 pips to go. Almost there. Okay, 1910 guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna take it now. Let's see. It's almost there. 0.4 pips to go. The take profit exactly at 1910. I just anticipate for the spread. Alright, I think I take it now. That's beautiful. 3,500 for my position. I don't want any risk. So here we are. We make money, and let's review it together. Good morning guys, I just woke up so tired. Last night I enjoyed a massage, that's why I cannot do the vlog, but I got my phone with me, and then I did a screen recording for you so you can follow me whatever I traded, and it was a lucky night. The gold rose significantly, and as you can see, we did a take profit on 1909, and after that it went down like crazy. That's why I said it was a lucky day. But anyway, now we know that $3,000 we made it from the sell trade and also from the buy trade. The question is how I did all of that, and let's do review from our last night position. And the other things is today is a Friday, and we have the non-farm payroll report day tonight. But anyway, I'm gonna have a lunch today to Bebek Tepi Sawah. It's a really nice duck. Hopefully you enjoy, and then we're gonna talk about last night. Now I'm walking to Bebek Tepi Sawah. It's about 2 kilometers, so it's better to take a walk before we eat a lot. Bebek Tepi Sawah is really famous duck restaurant here. Enjoy the food here. I'll show you later. So now we already at Bebek Tepi Sawah with Avi there, and she already ordered because he came first. That's the bebek, that's the duck. This is my duck, like the half cut of duck. It's beautiful taste. And then one rice and vegetable. It's so crispy, like this. You always make a joke of me, but this is so good. So if you want to come and enjoy this job, come here, Bebek Tepi Sawah. Tradepanel, welcome back. Finally, after we enjoying the sunset, now we're back to the computer. I will show you about my position. As we know that when we take a look to the position, we took the profits 2 times. The first was partial profits. Okay, so this is the first profit at 1907, and the other one is 1909.39. Okay, and that's our latest position, which is marked by the blue arrow here and the red arrow. So this is the sell when we did a gap trading, and then we bought it here. So we took all the profits here. So there's 2 arrows. We were so lucky, as I said. After that, the price went down like crazy. But remember, the mercury retrograde cycle should affect a bullish trend for gold. And tonight is the non-farm payroll report. I will be live with all the Orbit Trade clients, the A Club Academy members, the C80 traders, our certification program. In the next 1 hour, we'll do the live trading for this gold in the non-farm payroll. I review one more time. I put a buy position after the gap close in Orbit Trade. So this is a little gap, price close, and at this red candle, I put a buy position. The question is why? First, because I know the price is going high again, and then the stochastic at the 4-hourly chart is still good, and this is 38.2, but the price drops until 61.8. I mean, it's still above our stop level. I don't really care about it. And then finally gold going up again, and we took all the profits. So that's the idea. Now, as we believe that the mercury retrograde cycle is still there and the bottom has formed, so I'm looking for another buy today. This is a base level. The price reject the base and then come up again. The stochastic is in the bullish crossover. It means the rate of change, it's showing the price momentum is still in the bullish. But if you're talking about the trend direction, it's still on the sideways movement. What we're going to do about this, we know that the price will be moving around this resistance and this support. Okay, and then if you calculate this EMA to this current price, it's about 200 pips. So it's higher likely during the non-farm payroll news we can see that 200 pips range, right, on the 15-minute chart. So the first strategy is I'm using this area as a money magnet, and then I found some good zone as a confluence, which is this. This is the unfilled order on the 5-minute chart, which is intersection with our magnet area in 15-minute chart. So I put a red color here. Okay, now I put a Fibonacci here. That's a 50% level of Fibonacci. It sounds promising. And then when I put the trend line over here, it is likely that I have to wait when the price drops, touch this level. So it could be around 1878, 79, or maybe 1880, and then we can expect the price to jump higher like that. So we can see later what position I'm gonna have today. Now I'm gonna put a buy position. We put buy limit here. It's about 2 lots. So let's put a wider stop loss, about 1873, 150 pips, and then 1920 for now. We can always change that manually. Now it's 6:52 p.m. Jakarta time. I'm in Bali, but let's use Jakarta time. We can online in the next 10 minutes with all the members, and 20 minutes later we will have the non-farm report. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Marketnya udah jalan kenceng nih, tiba-tiba meledak ya. XAU-nya sekali lagi saya ingatkan, teman-teman hati-hati kalau mau ngambil posisi, siapkan jumlah lot yang sesuai. Ini adalah market yang sangat buas, saya cenderung buy. Tadi di awal saya sudah jelaskan, ada dua posisi yang saya akan ambil. So, ini adalah buy stop yang saya buat sebenarnya di 1884, tiba-tiba disamber aja. Jadi saya udah masuk 1884,8. Ini saya tarik dulu stop lossnya di bawah sini. Jadi berapapun yang saya masuk itu stop lossnya udah harus ready. Oke, done. Non-farm payroll, yep. Terbang, mudah-mudahan. $400, yep. Jangan lupa take profit bisa 70 pip. Kalau mau tahan, mau partial juga boleh. Oh, go, go, go. Terbang nih. Yeay. 1.200. $1,200 in hand, finally. Woohoo. Finally, we made it again. The non-farm payroll. $1,300, 50 pips. Oke, semuanya 50 pips. Silakan. Kalau mau di TP, go ahead. Ya. Malam hari ini kita cukup panen. $1,400. So at the end, let me close my position. At least I close 2 lots here. Maybe 1 lot ya. Saya tutup 1 lot. Arigato money in. Dah. At least saya tutup close 1 lot. Sukses selalu. Selamat malam. Happy weekend. After great trade yesterday, and now this is the time for enjoying ourselves in Prana. This is an Indian style for spa and treatment and a lot of things here, including Indian cuisine. So let's get started, and I'll take you in this last moment of this Money Hunter episode. I'll bring you to the beautiful spa here in Seminyak, Bali. Now I'm with Awi and we're waiting for the spa. We take the Spirit of Bali treatment. It's for a couple. It's about $120 or $110 per 2 person. It's really worth it, I think. The place is pretty good and so Indian here. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
We are so tired and I'm pretty happy for last night trading. So this is a time for us to enjoy ourselves here in Prana Spa, Seminyak.
Spoil our body.
Yeah. So this is a time for me to enjoy the massage, and I take the Ayurveda package, which is the therapy for this chakra. This is the third eye chakra. The place is absolutely beautiful. Amazing place, and I really recommend you to come here and enjoy the massage here in Seminyak in the middle of holiday. So let's start it. So that's all for today, guys. It's really great experience with Prana Spa. I got Ayurvedic treatment here. They put a lot of oil, maybe 45 minutes. They drop an oil in my asana chakra here. And really great experience. My body is like flying and it's really comfy on that. Okay, so after this I'm going to eat well, having an early dinner, and that's it for today. Enjoying the travel and trading with the Money Hunter with Astronacci. So let's go to eat well. Really great place to have early dinner here in Seminyak, Bali. Now here we are in Eat Well. They have quality meats. You can buy steaks and a lot of Western food. I really recommend you to be here. People say that this is a great restaurant, and I want to see by myself because my wife already enjoyed the Eat Well since long time ago, and I believe this will be a great restaurant for us to have a dinner. There's really great food. We got pork ribs and then pork knuckle over there. We really like it well. So that's all for our episode today in Money Hunter. Thank you very much for watching us. Hopefully these videos will help you to figure out how to make a good live trading plan. And there's no trading without risk. The most important part is you know how to manage your risk and become a better trader day by day. If you need more lessons on the trading, go to theastronacci.com. I got a money magnet strategy for you to enjoy, and see you soon.